Hey fellow boaters, JD Schmidt here from MarineMax at Grand Lake. We're at the Oklahoma Boat Expo in downtown Tulsa. And one of the boats we're showcasing here at the show is this incredible Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. We're up in the front, you can see this big beautiful bow, room for at least 3 or 4 people to sit up. As you walk to the back, you'll see this beautiful walk-through area here, plenty of room, plenty of space. Down below, cameraman, check this out. Down below, we've got this incredible lower level. You've got a beautiful dinette that easily converts for sleeping. And to the rear is a whole nother sleeping area, almost a queen-size bed. You've got a stand-up head. Over here, you've got this beautiful bar area. This is a great spot to sit when the boat is underway with a nice beverage in hand. Here at the helm, you have dual displays. You have a chart plotter and other information. You can control all the ship's systems. You have control of over 800 horsepower to drive this amazing vessel, and a joystick to make it easy to dock and maneuver. You won't find any easier. As you come to the rear, you're going to find this beautiful cockpit here, seating for 5, included a barbecue and refrigerator freezer for outdoor entertaining. And check this out towards the rear. You can get this incredible swim platform, nice place to hang out. Got a hydraulic swim platform that lowers, but take a look at this. One push of a button, you can extend the exterior of the boat and the swim platform, give you plenty of room to hang out with friends and family. So that's a quick look at the 38 GLS by Cruisers Yachts. Come see it for yourself at the Oklahoma Boat Expo in downtown Tulsa. I look forward to seeing you here at the Expo.